Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. This is the first Sunday in the month of September and so many things are happening. We're able to go out and harvest our squash pumpkins. We're able to go out and harvest our butternut squash. The vines are just trailing all through the yard. And in different pockets and different parts of the garden, you can find a butternut squash hidden in the midst. So this is such a beautiful time of harvesting and enjoying the garden. This beautiful morning of September, a brand new month, hallelujah, I have been harvesting a lot of these butternut squash, and I have quite a few here. I've been giving them away, but this is what I harvested on yesterday. 8 beautiful squash. And then I still have these here. And I really think that this is such a time for giving. This is such a time for spreading the goodness to others so that they can be blessed as well. And I'm very grateful to God for this opportunity to have this ability to give and to give of my labor. There's this song that says, your labor is not in vain. Your labor is not in vain. And I'm glad that my labor has not been in vain, that I have been successful in gathering these squash. Amen. Oh, it's so nice out. It's so beautiful in the garden. People are out enjoying it too. Yes. I had to shift this hollyhock from the front and put it on my deck so that it can get some more direct sunlight. And since I put it here, it's decided to actually blossom again. Isn't that wonderful? I bought this at Lowe's for a minimal fee of $3, and it is upright. It is called the Crimson Hollyhock, and it's mauve, and it's the spring celebration dwarf Crimson Hollyhock. But this is fall. This is September, the second day of September, and it is decided to rebloom. Isn't that fabulous? Hallelujah. There's something about caring for something, watering it, nurturing it, and you will receive the reward. Hallelujah. I'm very thankful to God for this day that He has made and for this blessing. I purchased this cornflower when I purchased the Crimson Hollyhock, and this has just been blooming so happily on the deck. First it started off with this particular blossom and moved to this one, then this, and now this one. So I'm getting these beautiful blooms now. I think I'm going to move it to the front later on in September. It is already bulb buying season. Isn't that fabulous? This is the big bloom. And I bought these tulips at Costco. They're 50 bulbs. Big Love and Ivory Florendale. And I'm going to be planting them probably in October, when I clear out some of the garden, when things start to fade, I'm going to put them in the ground. But now's the time to buy your packages of bulbs and start looking. And my bulbs from Costco did fabulous last year. I got a lot of beautiful blooms, and I'm hoping this is the same kind. I think so. It's called Big Blooms Grandes Flores. Let's look at the back. Yeah, they look like them. Yeah. And that's Big Love is the pink, and the white is the Ivory Florendale. Wow. I'm going to get some of these alliums. I saw them at Costco. I'm going to go back and pick up the alliums. I have alliums throughout the yard, but I'm going to get some more. And then it also says a crocus too. Yeah. So I think I'm going to add some more alliums to the garden. And I pick up another bag, because I have, 50 here? And it's only $12. $12 for 50 tulips. I think it's a good deal. And I can carry that same color scheme. My pink, I could start with the pink color scheme in the spring and have it come right down into the fall. I love this. I know I've been showing you pinky hibiscus for the last couple of weeks, but today is absolutely glorious. Look at all of the blooms. Now the purple Perilla is about to seed, or going to flower, and then you know it's going to seed. And I can see purple Perilla in the grass all over the yard, but it has added such a great accent to the yard, because my yard is a very green yard. It's very green. The garden is very green. So to have the accents of the purple Perilla has been fabulous. And I like now that the flowers are coming in with the dark leaves. Isn't that beautiful? And then with the pink here. Oh, so pretty. The purple Perilla has really been a great player in this garden. Look, it's here in the front yard. And now with the flowers coming out this part. Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, how is your garden growing? I hope that it's doing well, and I hope that you are doing well as well. And see you next time in Catherine's Garden. Bye. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you.